And hello again, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna show you how you can create such a logo for your brand using Gemini AI. So first, it depends with the type of logo that you want. Either it's for a massive company or just a small business, or depending on which type of logo you want. First, go down to your search bar, then select the first, change it to thinking, then type these, whatever I'm going to type. So we're gonna search, give me a prompt for a professional bank company logo. Let's see what it will generate. As you can see, it has generated a logo. So what you're gonna say next is explain the idea behind the logo. So there you go, it has given us an idea behind the logo. Like, why did it actually come up with this type of logo? So as you can see, here's what it has told us. You can just go through it, and yeah, that's how you can use Gemini AI to create a logo. And not it being the least, you can tap the logo, then save it with the button down below. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Yeah, that's how you do it. So next, assuming that you don't want let's say the Gemini to come up with its own logo, you want you want the logo to look the way you want. So here's what you do. For example, you go to your search bar, select thinking, go back to first, then type in your idea of a logo. You can type in an idea for a logo. Like, for example, let me type in something. I need a logo. Let's just type it in. I need a logo for my gaming channel. Let's be specific. YouTube channel named let's say Game Raider. Let's continue with the thought. Remember that you're thinking about this right now. I did not plan this, so I have to think about it as I continue. So use color depending on which country you are. If you're in the US, you can remove the U. If you're in the UK, you can add the U. colors that bring in gaming energy gaming energy. Make the logo to look more cinematic, more cinematic in 8K high quality. So let's search that, then let's see what will come up. I'm going to use Nano Banana to generate the image, then we'll see the results at the end. So that's the one that it has come up with. Yeah. So you can either choose to sort of prompt it, or you can choose to let it come up with the ideas and everything, the prompt, the designs and everything. So that's how you do it, and that's how it's supposed to be done. Anyways, that's how you use Gemini AI to come up with your logos. As you can see, that one is for the bank, and this is the one I just prompted, that prompt for a car selling business with the name of your choice. I gave Gemini the opportunity to come up with the choice of how can I call it, the prompting, the designs, the colors and everything, and this is exactly what came up with. So if you're a car guy, or if you're a car selling company out there and you need to use this logo, you can use it. It's there, it has already been generated, so there it is. And that's it, guys. That's how you create your logos using Gemini AI with zero intensive knowledge of how to use AI. That's how you do it. And anyways, if you've been helped, don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel to grow. And let me see you in the next video. Anyways, you have a good one.